So what you can also do is you can go ahead and generate out study guides as needed in Kimi. Let's say, for example, you can say something like, I have 2 weeks to learn about Photoshop myself. How do I start if I have 1 hour per day? Exclude Sunday and Saturday right here, just like this. So now I can simply go ahead and ask it to give me a study guide right here on how I can actually study this. So I simply said I have 2 weeks to learn about Photoshop myself, and it says that's a great goal. Learning Photoshop in 2 weeks with 1 hour a day is definitely achievable, and here's a structured plan to help you get started. And here you can see that it says day 1, day 2, day 3 right here, and what you can actually learn in each day right here. So there's a day 5, because I said only 5 days per week, excluding Saturday and Sunday. So it says day 5, and then after that you can see in week 2 it gave me day 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 accordingly. And that is how you can go ahead and generate out study guides for yourself inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.